Yesterday I taught you about income share towards the GDP. Why the income share is reduced from primary sector. Today we will study about the employment share towards the GDP. From primary sector, the amount of employment is not reduced in the last 40 years. Even though the income reduced, more number of people are employed in primary sector or agricultural sector comparing with the service and the industrial sector. Why this problem occurred in primary? Income reduced but employment level the same, not having that much changes. Last year in 9th class economics book we studied about unemployments. Various types of unemployment we are studying. Educational unemployment, technical unemployment, cyclical unemployment and disguised unemployment. So disguised unemployment is the reason why the number of employments are not reduced in the primary sector. Disguised unemployment. What we are studied about disguised unemployment. More number of people are employed in the primary sector. If you are from a joint family, especially in the joint family, they are having large land areas in that families. Large land fields. So most of the people in the family, in that joint family, though they all go into these agricultural fields. Even though their presence is not required, they are not having sufficient job in that land, they all go in the morning and the evening they come back. So more number of people, extra people are working in the agricultural sector than required. This is what is called as disguised unemployment. In a field, 5 people are required to do the cultivation of wheat or rice or anything else. But instead of that, 6 or 7 or 10 people are working. So above 5, how many are working? They all are disguised unemployed people. And this phenomena is called as disguised unemployment. Even though these extra people are reduced, there will not be any change in the total production. Total production will be same. Last year if they produced 100 kilogram wheat, this year also they will get the 100 kilogram wheat by reducing the number of workers. And the marginal production will be 0. That means there will not be any increase in production. That is why it says marginal production will be 0 and the total production there is no change at all. So the extra persons are taken out. That people are called as disguised unemployed people, and this phenomena is called as disguised unemployment. And this is otherwise called as underemployment. More people and they are not making any value at all. So this is the reason why the number of employment are not reduced in the primary sector or the agricultural sector. More number of people are working, but still they are not creating anything new. Their income level is not increasing. So income level reduced in the primary, but the employment structure share, it is the same in 1970s and 2010 also. So underemployment or disguised unemployment is the reason, the main reason why the employment share is not reduced in the primary sector or agricultural sector. Okay, thank you.